Hi rainbows, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little kind of unboxing PR from LUSH. Oh my gosh, it's been a while since I've done this. I actually think this is Halloween goods, which I know timing's not the best, but always LUSH products are amazing and I'm always happy to showcase them here on my channel because they have been extremely generous to me over the years, and I absolutely love their company and love what they stand for and love their products as well. So I have done like a full face of LUSH makeup before, also many unboxings as well. So if you guys want to check out more, I'll link them for you. Yeah. So let's just get into it. Ooh, oh my gosh, I see so much color. Hi Jade, pumpkin spice and all things nice. The witching hour approaches. So definitely this is Halloween edition and it's like November now. I'm sorry. Whether you're trick-or-treating with your pumpkin or looking for a quick bite, get yourself ready for a spectacular night with fabulous, luxurious Halloween experience in the shower or bath. Enjoy LUSH. Ooh, okay, so it looks like there is this one box in here. Oh my gosh. And it looks amazing. Trying not to get these peanuts everywhere. And they're going everywhere. It's fine, it's fine. This is what I'm pulling out. How cool is that packaging? Oh my gosh, it's so bright. I actually want to keep this because it's so bright and cool. So this is the little box of horrors. Oh God, and it smells, of course, as soon as you open the packaging, it just smells to die for. So let's open it up and see what is in there. Two other massive PR boxes that I picked up yesterday. So I think I'm gonna might as well extend this video and include it because this originally was just going to be LUSH only, but I know you guys like seeing those kind of videos and it's so often I get too excited and just open it myself and not on camera kind of thing. So here is what I'm seeing, just lots of little bowls. Oh my God, the smell is amazing. So this is the first product I am seeing in here. Let me just get them all out for you guys. There is a black one. Oh my gosh. There's some jelly things. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's leaked a little bit, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, how friggin' cool. There's actually a lot in here. Spoiled me as always. Thank you guys. So here, oh no, it has leaked. That's okay. So first thing, we've got the Monsters Ball. So this is a description of the little box of horrors. It says, that's why we're stripping away the excess paper and providing information on the solid products together below. Any clear wrapping used is compostable and degradable plant-based cellulose. That's pretty cool. Products are packaged. These bottles and pots are made of recycled and recyclable materials. That's awesome. So this is the Monsters Ball Bath Bomb. There isn't a description on here. It's just got a list of ingredients. So this looks really friggin' cool. Let's just open it up. Oh my gosh, so this is what I see. It is a one-eyed monster. I love me a one-eyed monster. Oh my gosh, so it smells, reminds me of the Comforter in a way. It has like a creamy, almost fruity, sherbety kind of smell. It's delicious and I can't wait to actually use this and see like the colors on the inside. Oh, it's like mouth-wateringly good. The next thing I am seeing is the Mercury Retrograde. That's a really cool name. Let me open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. That's a strong scent. This is basically how it looks. I don't know what that scent is, but it's strong. It's a little bit spicy. It's a little bit kind of masculine. That's like the first hint I got was like masculine, woodsy, kind of smoky almost. But I can definitely smell spiciness, like cinnamon and cloves and stuff in that as well. So beautiful. The next item we've got is Ghost in the Dark. And I think these do have little blurbs on them, so I'll read it. A glowworm. So it's a fun. So I think these you can use as shampoo or body wash or whatever. Hazel loves playing with these in the bath, which is really cool. So it glows in the dark. Oh my gosh. Use this lemongrass wonder to brighten up your bath time and make showers shine. glows in the dark. That's so cool. So it says, squish this worm into any form you please. When charged with light, it will glow in the dark. Lather up for a gentle body and hair wash, or crumble under running water for an uplifting bubble bath. I need to charge this out in sunlight. Oh my gosh, it's very refreshing, beautiful, pleasant scent. Definitely lemongrass. I love the scent of that, and it's really soft and pliable and squishy and awesome. So next we've got Boo, and this is a shower slime, and it says, raise your spirits this Halloween and get your hands on with the spooky black slime packed scrubby bamboo stem extract. So this could almost be a little bit of an exfoliant maybe. I think this is the one that leaked. So it's a slime. So for those of you that like slime, oh my god, it just poured out everywhere. Ew. So yeah, oh my god, oh my gosh, oh, it is literally slime. I was kind of expecting a shower jelly, but it is literally slime. Oh, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, and it smells to die for, and it's really messy at the moment. I need to like clean this up. Hold on. Oh my god, that slime was amazing, but so messy. So I do have a black cat one, but I think little Hazelbug may have grabbed it and ran off with it, and I don't know where it is. But if I find it, I'll come back and show it to you guys. But I do have two other PR packages that I wanted to show you guys. I'm pretty sure I know who these are from. Let's just open them up and experience this together. Because like I said, so often I get PR, I'm just so excited and just already open it on the spot. And I know some of you guys like to see this kind of video. Wow, this is like awesome packaging. You know, I definitely don't get as much PR as what some other people do, but I'm just so grateful for everything I do get sent. Okay. So first thing I'm seeing is this little clear bag. I might give this to Hazel because I know she's gonna want to play with it. Yes, this is from who I think it's from. So this is just like a little kind of makeup type bag. It's from the brand, I really hope I'm pronouncing this right, Kaleidos, like kaleidoscope, I think. So this brand did reach out to me a little while ago and say like, hey, we'd love to send you some of our makeup if you're interested. And this was around the time the kind of miscarriage happened. And I wrote back and I was like, of course, I'd love to. Like, they're a cruelty-free company and their products looked amazing. More of an indie kind of company. And I was like, yeah, I'd love to support you. Like, send me some stuff. And the owner, his name's Mark, or the person I was talking to is called Mark. And he wrote back saying, I've just had a look at your Instagram and seen like what you've been through recently, and I just want to send our condolences and we're so sorry, and if there's anything you need, just let us know. And that just like blew me away. Like, he didn't have to mention that he'd saw my post about what our family had been through. He could have just pretended that he didn't see it and just keep it kind of, you know, business as usual. And that would have been completely fine. But the fact that, you know, he opened up and said that and said, you know, I don't pretend to know what you're going through, but blah, 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 blah. It was just like such a kind thing to do, especially from a brand, like especially from a brand and from a business side of things. Like, so often, especially those kind of taboo subjects, people don't want to know about, they don't want to acknowledge it, they don't want to talk about it. But just the fact that he sent his condolences, even though we haven't even worked together, even though I haven't created any contact with him, like there's no kind of relationship there, it was just such a nice thing to do. And I was just actually blown away, especially in this day and age. And it really showed me kind of what his company is like and what they stand for, and it was just so nice. So anyway, I was just like, wow. So this is the first thing I am seeing. So this is the logo Kaleidos. I really hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Let's just open it up. This is like beautifully packaged. I love this box. Green is my favorite color. And this is quite heavy. So this is Futurism. I think this is one thing that I said that I'd love to try because I do love green. So let's open this baby up. Oh my God. Look how phenomenal their packaging is, and just stunning and beautiful. Wow. So there are these 3 boxes, which I'm guessing these are eyeshadows. More. I know they're very pretty. Can you hold this box for me, please? Futurism number 3, Astro Pink. Ultra pigmented, highly blendable, minimal fallout. Interstellar Marvels with celestial pigmentation, includes 4 heavenly mattes, 1 radiant metallic, and 1 stunning duochrome. And they've got all of the ingredients. It is a pressed pigment palette and it is a cruelty-free product. So let's just open this up. Wow. Oh my gosh. This packaging though. Look how stunning that is. So let's just open this up. Oh my God. This, it's beautiful, isn't it? I'm sorry, sweetie, but you can't have this one. Okay, so this is basically what I'm saying. How freaking stunning is that? Let me just give you guys one swatch. Oh my God. Oh my God, right now. Oh my God. Oh, I have not come across something that's been packaged like this. Like the clasp, the detail, it is stunning. And that color is really pretty. That's like got a glittery duochrome to it. So I don't want to like fully go too much into it because I want to do a tutorial with these products as well. So this is the next one. This is the Futurism one. This is Sci-Fi Green. So this is the packaging. Oh my, like it's to die for. I've never come across something so beautiful. Like I just want to have this on display actually because of how pretty it is. So let's open this one up. Oh my balls, this is going to be the most stunning eye look that I create with this. Look at that. This palette is like right up my alley. This is the one that I looked at and I was like, I need it. I need it right now because that is just stunning. Okay, let's do a swatch. This, oh my God. It feels so soft and buttery. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so nice. This is the Futurism 2 Cyber Bronze. Like seriously, I know I'm saying this a lot, but I can't get over the packaging. So opening this one up, oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Oh, this red. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Like instantly drawn to this one. Oh my God. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I've got another box full of stuff because the packaging feels exactly the same. So let's just open that up and see what's in here. So I'm just opening this first one. Again, stunning, beautiful, unique packaging. I'm like, yeah, wow. And these boxes, I mean, this could be a jewelry box. This could be just like my everyday go-to makeup box that I keep in the bathroom kind of thing. Oh my gosh, these are more palettes, I think. So this is the Futurism 4 VR Neon. Oh my God, that is so cool. Super bright, super pigmented. Let's swatch this one right here. Oh my balls, that's amazing. Look at that. That is so soft. And then we've got this one, which is Futurism 5 Electro Turquoise. Holographic kind of look on it. Oh my gosh, look at that orange. And that turquoisey blue. I know I'm really drawn to these metallic ones, but holy, oh my gosh. I need to like, oh my gosh, look at that. That is so stunning. I'm like hyperventilating right now. Let's see what's in this one. Guys, thank you. All right. Again, amazing packaging. Email. Oh my gosh, there's a message in this. A message from the future. How beautiful is that writing? Dear Jade, welcome to the Space Age Highlighter mini retreat. This experience was tailored specially for you. Maximum satisfaction and glow indulgence. We hope you enjoy your journey to the future of makeup. Sincerely, the Kaleidos team. Thank you. Oh God, this, oh my gosh, you guys. So this is everything I'm seeing in here. Oh my gosh, brushes. Thank you. I am like desperate need of makeup brushes right now. These look beautiful. Let's open them up. I know, aren't those swatches pretty on Mummy's hand? This one looks, yes honey. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, that feels very soft. Can you hold this one for me? Can you take good care of this? Yeah, can you hold this one? Thank you. You put all your special treasures in there. She wants these. So these ones are, again, individually wrapped more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Comet catcher. The inside is green. How cool is that? All right, there you go. Ta. Thank you. This packaging though is like expensive. So it's got this little textured bit here. This is number 1, space age. Let's open it up. Ready? Oh my gosh. How pretty is that? Let's give you, yes, honey. Let's give you a swatch. Sorry if this isn't. Oh my gosh. That has like this beautiful pink reflect to it. Let me just. Oh, that is stunning. It's like a duochrome highlighter with pink reflect. It's beautiful. So this next one is Ray Rider. Oh my gosh, that's like the most beautiful champagne stunningness. Number 2 is Star Surfer, to die for. I know I'm probably not doing these products justice right now, but that's like blinding. Oh my gosh. And then we have 2 more. We've got the Laser Gazer. This is like so beautiful and unique. Like honestly, how different is that? Oh wow, that would be a beautiful eyeshadow as well as a highlighter if you are definitely adventurous. So it is green, but it's got like this brownie kind of shift to it, but so unique. Yes, this last one is Skywalker. And this is how it looks. Sorry, Hazel's so talkative today. And let's give you guys a swatch. Yes. I know, but no, you can't play with these ones. This one is super, super icy. Oh my gosh. Almost like a violety blue reflect to it. That is just stunning. Kaleidos team, thank you. Thank you so much. I feel so spoiled. I cannot wait to create a look with these. Thank you to Lush as well for the goodies. I'm so grateful. You guys are amazing. So thank you rainbows for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link Kaleidos as well as Lush in the description box below for you guys. And wow, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, all that kind of jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.